If we want to stay at the head of the race to 5G, the government needs to make sure that wireless companies have access to the necessary spectrum and the ability to efficiently deploy small cell infrastructure.
$576 billion of new federal spending on infrastructure is a record investment. And we're not just talking about roads and bridges, we're talking about broadband, we're talking about making our grid a lot smarter. We're even including investments for electric vehicle charging stations. But I would point out, just 2 weeks ago, the Senate, in a bipartisan fashion, put together a $250 billion bill to deal with China and take on issues like semiconductors.
That's the challenge that we face today. So, I mean, if you really want to make your country competitive for the future, you're going to have to look at this more as a national strategic investment and somehow stimulate that with policy.
In many ways, all of the promises of IoT connected devices, Internet of Things devices, from driverless cars to all of the sensors that IoT connected devices are going to depend upon, that's all going to ride upon a 5G network. So it's critically important that the United States and, on a broader level, the West get 5G right and lead the world in this development.
I think we need to go ahead and provide ubiquitous, high-speed broadband across the whole country. Make the same commitment that Franklin Roosevelt made in the 1930s with rural electrification. We can do that now. I think there are things that we should be doing during the pandemic where we actually allow existing internet service providers to turn up the power so there's additional relief provided.